Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Wrist Action, where we discuss everything about affordable wristwatches on a Sri Lankan budget. The idea is also there to bring videos on the channel in Sinhalese language as well. So if you think that is a good idea, please comment below. And as watch enthusiasts here in Sri Lanka, we will try to reach a wider audience and share our experiences and knowledge. I'm extremely excited to bring you the first video of the channel, which is an unboxing of the Jack Mason Halyard Nautical Chronograph. Thank you for joining in the channel, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright everyone, as indicated, we'll move on to the unboxing. The packaging is quite big and I've removed the outer wrappers first so it's easy to access during the video, of course. So we'll get into the box right now, and the packaging is, as you can see, quite good. They've made the box stick to the bottom of the larger box, making it stable within the box, so it won't move around and damage the watch inside. So I'll just first remove the cellophane holding the watch box onto the bottom of the delivery box. All right. We go. Here we go. All right. Great. Let me take out the watch box and remove the delivery box so that we can concentrate on what's inside clearly. Alright. Before getting into the box, let me give you a couple of points about the Jack Mason brand. It is deemed as a micro brand, which means that it only produces a limited number of watches, unlike Seiko, Timex, Casio or Citizen would. So when these limited number of watches are sold off, the micro brand might decide to discontinue the particular style. Jack Mason is a brand based out of Dallas, Texas, the United States, and it predominantly manufactures quartz movement watches. To date, as far as I know, they have only produced about 2 automatic divers, and all the rest are quartz based watches. And another point I might want to add is that the main factor that made me interested about the particular brand was the design, the dial design. So I'll leave a link on the description, and you guys might want to visit the site and see whether their dial designs are your cup of tea. And now we'll move on to the unboxing. Okay, I'm just trying to open it up. Here we go, and there we go. So this is the Jack Mason Halyard Nautical Chronograph. Let me pull it out, and yes, with the leather strap, the blue dial, and here is the label describing the style number or the reference number and the brand. We'll have a quick look at the watch before we move on to what else is inside. Yep. Okay, we'll get back to the watch after we see what else is inside for us. Alrighty. It seems there's a drawer here where we can access the documents, I guess. We'll see what's inside. First we have an envelope. Then we have a carrying case, I guess. We'll get to that, but we'll see what's in the envelope first. Okay. Alright, a thank you card from Jack Mason. thank you. Okay, and another brochure, I guess, with the description and the movement, the material, yes, and a lifetime warranty. We will go through this lifetime warranty and I will let you know what it means in the review that I'll be doing in a couple of weeks on the watch. More information on the lifetime warranty. And we'll move on to the watch case, I guess. Okay, multi-purpose pouch, sure. So they're saying this pouch can be used for storing straps, protective case for the watch, and also as a microfiber wiping cloth for the watch. Yeah, this is multi-purpose, I guess, if it can do all of the things that it says. Great. So there's something here, part of something old, the start of something new. Cool. And that's what's in the watch box, I guess. Now we'll move on to inspecting the watch itself. And as indicated, this is named the Jack Mason Halyard Nautical Chronograph. The word halyard basically means the rope that is used to send a flag or a sail up the mast of a boat. And this watch is themed as a nautical watch, and hence the name Halyard is used. The case is made out of stainless steel and is 42 millimeter. The dial is navy blue, and there are two other styles of this watch with the dial in white and in normal blue color. The straps on this watch are 22 millimeters in width, and the dial is a 3-eye dial to accommodate for the chronograph function. And as you can see, the eye on the right is the hour eye, the minute, and the second eye, and just below the second eye we can see the date window over here. And also the buckle of the watch is etched with the Jack Mason brand, as well as the crown with the Jack Mason logo. The crystal on this watch is a sapphire crystal, and for nighttime vision visibility they've used the Super Luminova non-toxic, non-radioactive pigment paint, and all the hour markers are painted with the Super Luminova paint, as well as the tip of the hour arrow and the full length of the minute arrow. The water resistance of this watch is rated at 100 meters, which is 330 feet or 10 ATM, and therefore it has a screw down case back, and also the case back is etched with a beautiful design of the steering wheel of a boat or a sailboat with the Jack Mason brand, and also the reference of the watch design. I will be doing a full review of this watch in a couple of weeks after the watch has gotten some wrist time, but for the time being we'll remove the stickers on top and at the case back and try it out on the wrist for now. Okay. Beautiful dial without the sticker, also the case back. Alright, here's the wrist action of the 42mm case Jack Mason Halyard chronograph on a 7.5-inch wrist. The watch sits pretty well on the wrist. The straps are extremely comfortable. The only thing I would point out is the oversized buckle for my liking, but it's not a big issue at all. That brings us to the end of the unboxing video of the Jack Mason Halyard Nautical Chronograph. I intend to bring a full review of the watch in a couple of weeks. Until then, action those wrists and see you soon.